I'm back on the grind, guys. Holiday is over. I think I have one more. That's Saturday and that's it. I've got to book some new ones, but I don't know when I need it. I want to book it when it's like needed to travel or something. Back on the grind. While I'm grinding, you are sleeping. Or maybe I'll get someone to do it. Oh my god, it is. It's not difficult, you know. It's just you have to be strategic on not getting it on your eyeballs, but it's a bit like painful. Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing, and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome. Happy. Today's Wednesday. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's 6 in the morning and I'm going to work because I got some overtime. So I took it, but it's not too bad because I finished 1:30, so that's not bad. It's just getting up, it's worse. So yesterday was actually Tuesday. I didn't vlog Tuesday, but I went to the supermarket and then I went to another store because I'm doing some home improvement. And you know what? I guess I'll show you when it's done or what I bought. So this is it. Oh my god. I'm so tired, but you know what? You have a lovely day and I'll see you. Hi guys, look, this is, I came home from work and I'm trying to do my own lashes. This is how far I got. Trust me, it is not really painful, but my eyes are so watery. But this is my first attempt and I'm practicing. And you know, first, it's not gonna be perfect or a good matter of fact, but so far it's not going bad, so I'm persevering. So I'm just gonna practice for now and then let's see how it turns out. But this is my first attempt. As I said, I'm not an expert, so it's not perfect, but you know what, I'm gonna dry it now with the fan, and then I'm gonna continue practicing until I get perfect. But it is what it is. Hi guys, welcome. Happy Friday. It's Friday night and anyway, I've just finished work and I'm exhausted. Look at my face, look at my hair. I'm so tired, but as you can see, I took off the lashes I did the other day. Reason being, I used the ear glue. Yeah, which was that everyone used, but you know what? It was too sticky for me. Maybe I used too much, or I needed a fresh one. So I got some glue from Amazon. I can see the package on my bed. So I'm gonna try it round 2 and see how it works. I won't video it because I'm just practicing, and they say practice becomes perfect. So when I get my skills in order, you know, I'll come on camera and show you, but let me practice off camera first. I see how oh my gosh, I tell you, I'm so tired. So I'll see you. Well, this is my first eye so far. Look how my eyes are red. You know what? Glue went into this one, so I've got to rest just a little bit, but it's okay. It's a little bit painful, but I'll wait until the morning and see how it goes. But this one, you just need filling, but the lashes are on. Oh, my biggest fear came through. Look, I didn't want the glue to go into my eye, and it did. Oh my. Hi guys, happy Saturday. It's not happy for me, because look, this is what I woke up to. The glue went into my eye last night, and it's a bit swollen, it's a bit sore, but it's like running water. My eye water, sorry. It's hurting a little bit, but not as last night. So it says that it will get better, feel better in like 24 hours. So I guess it's doing its thing. But it hurts a little bit. It's very irritating. And I guess that was my biggest fear, because I just fear it happened once, but it wasn't this bad. But I hope it gets better soon. It's very irritating, a bit swollen, and I've got a cold as well, so that'll make it feel better. But I hope if the irritating thing like the burning goes away, it will be fine, because the swelling will go down. But what can I do? If it continues, I might have to go to the doctors, but they're gonna say the same thing: wash it with water. Look, it is like the teardrops is going, but at least it feels a little better. So let's see how the day goes. Hey guys, well, as you can see, I'm still sporting a sore eye, but don't worry, it looks painful than how it feels, because trust me, last night I was in agony, but fingers crossed it's getting better. And it's looking better. It's like a bit sore, but yeah. So I've just took out my hair. It's itching, but ooh, it feels so good. So now I'm gonna wash it and prep it for another hairstyle. But I'm gonna do it for myself. Well, look, it is growing. If you remember me from way back in the video when I did a way back vlogs, when I did the ear treatment and I didn't have much in the middle, but now it's growing. I've got a little bit of lengthy, which is good, but it's a bit dirty. I've got to prep it, because you know what, tomorrow is carnival, so fingers crossed that things is not going well, you know. I prayed that Sunday, Monday, because Monday is bank holiday, so tomorrow, Sunday, it's going to be carnival with Monday. So I can't be able to go Monday, because Monday I'll be working. So I said I will go Sunday. But hey, the only problem I had was I said, let me keep my fingers crossed that my thingy thing, menstruation, don't come, because I don't want to be all up in carnival with that. And Lord, I think the Lord didn't hear me, because guess what? It came suddenly, TMI. But you know what? I'll try and go. Let's see how it goes. But I'll be going. I just have to be queuing up long for those rotty toilet. But you know, it is what it is. But now let me go wash my hair because it's like so greasy from all those edges. So let's see. But again, tomorrow I've got a thing after carnival. One of my mates from my workplace is leaving, and then tomorrow, unfortunately, is leaving too. He's leaving. What did he say? Leaving what? Do yeah. He's leaving. Do I'm gonna try and make that too. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna try my best. Because it's not, I've got to take public transport to both places, so I don't know. Let's see how it goes, because I do want to make both. This is me starting. Well, I've started my hair. It's prepped and everything, and I start to put. This is I'm using the Afro natural hair because I'm going back to my natural roots. So let me see how it looks. I want to see how it looks when it's finished. So you know what? I'm not going to video me doing it because I want to really concentrate on what I'm doing. So I'll see you when I'm finished.